This video is brought to you by thepuzzler.com.
AMC 10A, number 11. So Ted mistakenly wrote 2 to the power of m times the square root of 1 over 4096 as 2 times the mth root of 1 over 4096. What is the sum of all real numbers m for which these two expressions have the same value? Okay, I'm going to rewrite this by writing 4096 as 2 to the power of 12 because it's 1024 times 4, and 1024 is 2 to the power of 10. So we have 2m times 2 to the power of negative 12 because it's in the denominator, and then since we're taking the square root, that's the same thing as multiplying by 1/2. This is equal to 2 times 2 to the power of negative 12, and since we're taking the mth root, that's the same thing as multiplying by 1 over m. So now we have 2 to the power of m minus 12 over 2 is minus 6, so that gives me that this on the other side is going to be 1 plus, or 1 minus 12 over m. Okay, so now since the bases are the same, we can set the exponents equal to each other. So m minus 6 equals 1 minus 12 over m. So that 12 over m plus m equals 7. Multiply all sides by m because 0 is not a valid solution. That would give us 12 plus m squared equals 7m, or m squared equals, or sorry, m squared minus 7m plus 12 equals 0. So now you can factor this, but we can also just simply use Vietas. We know that the sum of the roots is going to be negative b, so it's just going to be 7, since we know that they're real.
Thank you for watching this video. If you liked or enjoyed this video, make sure that you give it a like and subscribe to our channel. For more amazing content, you can check out thepuzzler.com.